Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT write longer articles for you.
To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up.
And then in the address bar, just type in chat.openai.com and press enter. Log into your account if necessary, and then you will end up in this homepage. Let's just go ahead and ask the ChatGPT to write an article on a random topic. After typing up the prompt, just click on Send Message. Now, as you can see, the application will immediately start to generate a response based on your instructions. You can click on Regenerate Response if you're not satisfied with the response that you get. You will see that it is relatively short. So how can we make ChatGPT give us longer responses? Well, in order to do this, we will need to provide detailed instructions. So now let's just go ahead and give it a new instructions, but in more details. Now this time, I have given an instruction to generate a 1,000-word article on the same topic, but I've also added a few instructions such as mention why each of these places are famous, and also a little bit of history from these sites, and finally one interesting fact about each of these places. Now let's go ahead and give it the instruction by tapping on the arrow button. And now, as you can see, the volume of the response is quite large from the previous one. So what we need to do is we need to provide detailed instructions and more context so that the ChatGPT has more references to pull from. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize ChatGPT to give a longer response based on your requirements.
If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.